If over the course of time, the air conditioning causes unpleasant odors in the vehicle interior, it can be a sign that evaporators, ventilation ducts, or the vehicle interior are infested by bacteria, germs, pollen, or mold. With Climate Fresh by LIQUI MOLY, you can remove bad odors without removing the pollen or dust filter without a lot of work within just 10 minutes or so. To do so, please proceed as follows. Start the engine and switch the air conditioning off. Set the maximum temperature and set the fan to the highest level and the air source to passenger and front windscreen. Open all ventilation ducts on the dashboard. Remove the Climate Fresh can from its case and give it a good shake. Then set the can in the opening of the box intended for this and position it in the passenger footwell. The spraying direction must be pointing towards the intake area of the circulation system under the dashboard. Then press the spray head until it engages. Ensure that all windows and doors are closed during the spray and exposure time and that there is nobody inside the vehicle. As soon as Climate Fresh has stopped spraying, the use is complete. Remove the box including the can and then ensure a sufficient airing of the vehicle interior and switch the engine off afterwards. With Climate Fresh by LIQUI MOLY, all unpleasant odors are removed and the interior smells pleasantly fresh again.